Hey guys, so yet another video, and this one is going to involve AI. I had a vision. I will not be getting into the vision on this side of the channel. However, I will be putting it on the membership side. So, anyway, that'll be coming out later today. But I had a vision that was regarding AI, and I got two names in it: Hydra and Octopus. And so I went and I did a deep dive into what is Hydra AI because I was curious. I didn't know. I had no idea. So when I started looking into it, I decided to go right to the source and I asked AI, "What is Hydra AI?" And Hydra AI, um, I asked Grook, that is Twitter's AI, or X's AI, and here's the answer it gave me: Hydra by XAI speculative content. Since I'm Grook, created by XAI, I could infer you might be asking about a hypothetical Hydra AI associated with XAI. However, there's no public record of an XAI project explicitly named Hydra AI as of now. Given XAI's mission to advance human scientific discovery, a Hydra AI in this context might be imagined as a multifaceted AI system like a mythological Hydra with multiple heads designed to tackle complex problems across different domains. And purely speculative, though, you might be something specific by XAI. Please clarify. Number two, Hydra Configuration Management Network. One of the most well-known uses for Hydra in the AI in tech space is open source Python framework developed by Facebook AI Meta AI. This Hydra is not an AI model itself, but a tool to elegantly configure complex applications, including machine learning projects, and allow developers to dynamically manage hierarchical configurations, overriding settings via command lines, and run multiple jobs efficiently, akin to a Hydra's multiple heads. It's widely used in AI research to streamline experiments, making it easier to tweak hyperparameters or switch datasets without altering core code. If you're running a learning, this might be what you are referring to. Hydra AI music generator by Rigasfi. Another possible is Hydra, an AI music generation platform by Right Sci-Fi. This tool has advanced AI to create copyright-free instrumental music based on a data set of over 600,000 songs or 60,000 songs and 300 plus instruments, powered by high performance GPUs like NVIDIA's A10, A100s. It generates tracks for commercial use tailored to use prompts specifying genre, tempo, or mood. Is designed for creators, business, and artists who need an original audio fast. Think background music for videos or podcasts of your. If your question leans towards creative AIs, this could be it. Hydra. But this one is capital H, lowercase y, D, capital R, A. RNA binding protein classifier in bioinformatics. Hydra, hybrid assembled RBP classifier, is a machine learning tool that predicts RNA building proteins using a combination of support vector machines, conventional neural networks, and transformer-based models. It analyzes protein interactions in sequence to identify RNA building compatibilities, aiding research into gene expression and disease. This is a niche but impactful AI application in science, possible relevance to your biology and geometrics. I read this and just went speechless, because I didn't know that, this is I didn't know what hydra AI was. I had no idea. And it's literally it's genetic mappings. It's used to supercode complex AI problem solving. It's used for music creation and everything, and it's just like, oh my goodness. The other one, which was the minor one, was Octopus AI. And Octopus AI, once again, I didn't know what this was either. Octopus by Nexa AI. One of the prominent example is Octopus model developed by Nexa AI. Octopus version 2 in particular is on device AI language models destined to run efficiently on edge devices like smartphones, tablets, or LOT hardware. And it's optimized for tasks like functions calling, where the AI interprets and executes specific commands or actions and outperforms larger models like GPT-4 in certain accuracy benchmarks. Octopus AI is financial assistant. Another possible is Octopus AI from My Octopus AI, a financial planning tool tailored for startups. This AI assists founders by creating budgets, forecasts, investor-ready financial reports in minutes. It uses dialogue-based inputs. Users describe their assumptions and integrates with data sources like QuickBooks for real-time metrics built by team. Basically, it's there to help create and do money. Octopus AI by Octopus Deploy. There's also an experimental Octopus AI tied to Octopus Deploy, a continuous deployment software company. In 2004, they tested AI integration, allowing users to query their development spaces in plain English using large language models. It's designed to extract insights from structures data without scripting through its limited to Octopus Cloud services, and was time-bound experiment. If you're in the DevOps space, this might ring a bell. Other Octopus AI variants. Octopus AI app, a platform generating multiple LLMs like ChatGPT, Claude, and Mistral into one interface for seamless use with no strict limits on context or outputs. Octopus AI by rights fee. Less likely here, but it's worth noting. Rights fee Hydra music generator sometimes gets conflated with Octopus themed banding and creative AI discussions. Metaphorical uses. Some companies, i.e. Picatory AI, like use Octopus as a mascot or metaphor for multitasking AI, but these aren't specifically Octopus AI. I didn't know these were a thing up until I had reason to look into it. But essentially, it is... Octopus AI is a downgraded model of the Hydra AI. Basically, when you're looking at the Hydra, a lot of that came from the Octopus AI. Now, once again, I'm going to get into my vision on the other one, but I'm going to let you know that when you're looking at Hydra and Octopus AI, these concepts come from the Undersea Kingdom. Those are the AIs that are designed and used there. Now you say, okay, well, what does that mean exactly? Well, let me read something to you that might put this into place. Revelation 13:1. I stood upon the sand of the sea, and saw a beast rise up out of the sea, having 7 heads and 10 horns, and upon his horns 10 crowns, and upon his heads the name of blasphemy. It's a hydra. A 7-headed beast. It is a hydra. And the beast which I saw was like unto a leopard. His feet were the feet of a bear, and his mouth the mouth of a lion. And the dragon gave him power, and his seat for great authority. Well, right now we're watching this Hydra AI being given immense authority. You're talking about Trump running with Operation Stargate. Operation Stargate. He is going to give this your medical information, and with it becoming your doctor medical, it needs to map your genome. The Hydra AI, it maps your genome. And I saw one of his heads were wounded to death, and his deadly wound was healed, and all the world wondered at the beast. And they worshipped the dragon, which gave power unto the beast, and worshipped the beast, saying, Who is like unto the beast? Who is able to make war with him? Well, I don't know about you guys, but right now people are wondering over AI and trying to figure out, especially if you're in any type of war planning or anything. I can guarantee you they're trying to figure out how to fight this. And there was given unto him a mouth speaking great things and blasphemies, and the power was given him to continue 42 months. And he opens his mouth in blasphemy against God, to blaspheme his name and tabernacle and them that dwell in heaven. And it was given unto him to make war with the saints and overcome them. And the power was given him over all kindreds, tongues, and nations. And all that dwell on the earth shall worship him, and those names were not written in the book of life, or the Lamb slain from the foundation of the world. And if any man have an ear, let him hear. And he that leadeth into captivity shall go into captivity, and there was patience and faith unto the saints. Well, here's something to consider. Power was given to him over all kindreds and tongues of nations. Well, what's something that AI can do? AI can immediately translate. You say something and it understands it. It knows how to translate. And basically, we're going to be giving it great authority with everything that Trump is doing here. Let's see, is there anything else here? Let's see. Sorry, I'm just seeing. And Revelation 13:16, and he causeth all, both small and great, rich and poor, free and bond, to receive the mark in their right hand or their forehands, and that no man might buy, sell, save he have the mark or the name of the beast or the number of his name. So when you're looking at this Hydra AI, part of what they want to do is they want to worldwide implement it, so that way they can control finances and your medical care, so on and so forth. And if you look over in China, that's not really science fiction over there. They legitimately have AI looking at everybody and determining your social credit score, and if it's good, you can buy. If it's bad, you can't. If it's good, you can ride on the buses. If it's bad, you can't. So on and so forth. So therefore, when you start looking into this, it is an absolute horrendous thing that we are putting on there. You have Neuralink, which ironically enough, it connects to the brain. It connects to your hand. It makes it so that way you are able to connect with using all this AI power to be able to use your brain, connect to that AI, and do things. You have Operation Stargate once again, which is just one of those. It is absolutely horrendous what they are doing with that. And now we know that it's Hydra. And Hydra is a multi-headed beast. And usually when you look at Hydras, you have two different forms. You have a 7-headed and you have a 9-headed. They start off with two. If you don't know anything about Hydras, I'm just going to fill in for you real quick here. Basically, Hydra is a dragon-like beast that usually starts off with 1 or 2 heads. When you cut one off, it reforms and creates two in its place. So essentially what you end up having happen is usually they have odd numbers of heads because, you pretty soon you have 7, 9, and a 7-headed Hydra was considered a very deadly beast from the swamps and stuff. If you look into it, and a 9-headed Hydra was usually considered a divinity at that point. Neither here nor there. The point of the matter is that pretty much AI equals that what they are trying to push forward is Hydra, which will connect to everybody, connect in the foreheads, give you the marks, and make it to where that they're able to control you with AI, and it's going to get pretty ugly, guys. And unfortunately, I have buyer's remorse with Trump right now because he is fast pressing this faster than anybody even has a chance to look at it and say, should we? I'm not happy about this. I didn't want Kamala either, but for anybody who's been looking out there, I'm absolutely not happy with this. Once again, if somebody sees this who has any kind of connections or anything, stop him. Close down Operation Stargate. Like, seriously? Because we're going straight into the beast system with it, and it's going to be in the loving embrace of a Hydra. Congratulations. Anyway, I'm going to get into my vision and a little bit more on the other side. So anyway, I hope that people found this informative, and I hope everybody's having a wonderful day. Thank you so very much, and see you soon.